Hi everyone, this is the case of a 2012 RAV4 where the customer brought the vehicle with the concern of the vehicle stalling, and they wanted us to install an alternator that they brought with it because apparently they were told that that's what they needed. But we explained that we needed to actually diagnose the car before performing any repair on it. Here's the alternator they supplied, made in China, not good. So I started by checking the charging system output, and I got like 13.3 volts, which is kind of standard for this vehicle. It's not really a concern. So I move on to my next check. Then I moved to check for DTCs on the engine control module. And as you can see, I got a camshaft engine stall DTC and a P1604 and P1605, which typically set in my experience on this when there is an actual stall or the battery's voltage is low. Then what I did was to perform a visual inspection, and I ended up finding that the engine was pretty low on oil, which gave me the clue that that was probably the cause of the stalling condition. So on these vehicles, when the computer detects that the engine is low on oil, it will shut it off as a way of protecting it. I drained the oil and used a filter because I wanted to be sure that there were no metal particles. It then added the specified amount of oil, and then I test drove the vehicle and the engine wasn't stalling anymore. This confirmed that the root cause of the problem of the vehicle stalling was the low oil level. So this had nothing to do with the part they wanted to install, and this is why we can't just throw a part at it. The customer will come back in a few miles to recheck the oil level.